In English, offering help is an important part of polite communication. When someone seems busy, confused, or unsure what to do, using simple questions can make them feel supported. Expressions like, "Can I help you?" or "Do you need help?" are friendly ways to show kindness and cooperation in everyday life. There are several polite ways to offer help in English. You can say, "Can I help you?" which is short and respectful. You can also say, "Do you need any help?" which sounds caring and natural. To be even more polite, say, "Would you like some help?" Another gentle option is there anything I can do?" Each of these phrases shows willingness and positive attitude. Use the right phrase depending on where you are and who you are speaking to. In shops or offices, "Can I help you?" sounds professional and polite. When talking to friends or family, "Do you need any help?" is friendly and casual. "Would you like some help?" is useful when you want to sound kind and gentle. "Is there anything I can do?" works best when someone is upset or facing difficulty. Choosing the right tone makes conversation more natural. When someone offers help, respond politely. You can say, "Yes, please, that would be great," to accept kindly. You may also say, "Thanks, I would appreciate that," to express gratitude. If you do not need help, reply with, "No, thank you, I can manage." Another polite refusal is, "That is kind of you, but I am good for now." Responding with respect builds good manners and positive communication. To sound polite while offering help, choose your words carefully. Add please or use respectful words like sir or ma'am. Use phrases such as, "Would you like me to?" for a softer and kinder offer. Keep a calm and friendly tone so your words feel genuine. Avoid forceful phrases like, "Let me do that," unless the person agrees. Politeness shows kindness and confidence. Offering help happens all the time in daily life. In a store, you may ask, "Can I help you find something?" At school, say, "Do you need help with your assignment?" At home, you could offer, "Would you like me to wash the dishes?" And at work, ask, "Is there anything I can do to support you?" Being helpful makes communications smoother and relationships stronger. Here are some short examples of how offering help sounds in conversation. One person might say, "Can I help you with your bags?" And the other person could reply, "Yes, please, they are quite heavy." Another example is, "Would you like me to call a taxi?" And the answer is, "That would be wonderful, thank you." If someone asks, "Do you need help setting up your laptop?" you can politely refuse by saying, "No thanks, I think I have got it." These patterns make speaking English feel more natural. Practice these expressions with a partner. Offer help using phrases like, "Can I help you?" and "Do you need help?" Take turns offering and responding. Add polite words such as please, sir, or ma'am. Listen to your tone and aim to sound helpful and gentle. With practice, offering help in English will feel easy and natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.